create engaging stories for Instagram with Adobe Express. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create engaging stories for Instagram using Adobe Express. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Head to express.adobe.com, log in, and search for Instagram Story. Pick a pre-made template or start with a blank one. Upload your photos or videos directly from your device. Just drag and drop them into the design. It's super quick and easy. Click on the text box to change the message. Use bold fonts for hooks, and don't forget to keep it short and snappy. Adjust size, color, and alignment for visual impact. Click on any image or text and hit the Animate button. Choose effects like fade, typewriter, or zoom to bring your story to life. Use the built-in design assets to add trendy shapes, icons, or even your logo for brand consistency. Once you're happy with it, download the story in vertical format, 1080 by 1920, and post it straight to Instagram. That's all for the video. With Adobe Express, creating scroll-stopping Instagram stories has never been easier or more fun.